YouTube, how the heck is it going? So today we're getting back to the intercooler and the intercooler piping. I'm gonna try to get that fixed today. Today is February 21st. I only have a couple more days until the 1st, and I really want to get this car out to the track on the 1st, and it's gonna make me very upset if I don't. So let's get on to this. First of all, I do want to apologize if I do sound a little nasally while I'm talking through the videos. I am just getting over a cold that put me on my ass for about a week now, so bear with me, guys. So I have my cut line here of what I need to cut off of this. So it should be on this side. So yeah, let me get that all set up. Alright guys, so I have to take a break from looking at that intercooler and trying to fix that intercooler. It's just driving me crazy and I can't wrap my head around it. So I'm going to try to fix this weld, you know, and see what I can do. I still have a whole bunch of extra pipe that I'm going to cut up so I can get at least a wide band in here. Yeah, so I'm going to fix this. At least attempt to. Probably be easier just to cut it. So let's just fucking cut it. So what I was doing was cleaning the edge, so when I go to weld, it's good mating surface, clean material. So let me go check, see how it's on the car. Alright, now that I got it tacked there, I'm gonna come around and do a couple more tacks, try to fill in some of these gaps, cut out a piece if I need to get it to sit in place. It's like right there, right where I wanted it. Let's get another tack. Well, shit, guys. I've been talking to you guys, moving you guys around, and I didn't realize the camera was dead. So, you guys missed a lot. From what I last looked at, you guys were still watching me weld this exhaust. So, anyways, I got the exhaust on. I got the O2 sensor on. I touched up some of these lines, my oil lines, because they were draining for some reason. Now, I got to figure out where to put my wastegate at so I can get wastegate pressure. Then I got to figure out how to get an exit for that as well. Got to find a pipe for that too. So yeah, let me look for a nipple that I can connect that to, and we can get some wastegate pressure. All right, so I found a little nipple back here. It's coming all the way to the controller. It's my wastegate. And I'm gonna fire her up and see how she sounds. Alright guys, so now that the car is kind of running right, time to officially install the ECU. For off-road use only. Anyways, yeah, I got this from HA Motorsports, so I've seen a lot of good things and I've seen a lot of negative things. Hopefully I got the good with this one. Alright, let's go install it. Well, if anybody is wondering why I went with a core and not just soldered in my own on my own ECU, is I wanted at least 2 ECUs. Reason being, if this ECU goes bad with an S300 in it, I have a backup that I could just solder into. That's 1. 2, if I messed up my ECU, I was gonna have to order a whole one anyways. So might as well kill 2 birds with 1 stone. And 3, if I do end up getting another Honda, I could at least send that one out, get it chipped, get it back, and then I'll have a backup ECU at all times, just in case one of them goes faulty. So my idle is super high. It's sitting at 2,000. So I got to figure out what's going on, why my idle's so high. So let's figure that out. So that's all the way down. Alright, let's see if that helps my idle. So I'm gonna let the car cool down right now. I'm gonna go over all the fluids, make sure everything is topped off, make sure oil is good, make sure coolant is good. I gotta adjust the bracket for the intercooler, and I think I did it. I think everything for the engine is done on the budget side. Now I just gotta fix the steering issue still. Don't know what it is. Try to take it on a run. And it's still pulling hard right then hard left. So if you guys know what that is, leave it down in the comments below, because it's driving me crazy. I've changed everything, almost everything steering wise, besides the steering rack itself. So right now I'm gonna check all that stuff and I'll let you guys know. So the Honda does need a little bit of water. If you've ever been to a track before, you know coolant is pretty much a no-no. So they want you to have water. If you guys are wondering why I'm only putting water and not coolant in the Honda. Like I said, this is going to be solely a track car, so it's okay. Make it work. Bam! Look at that. The Honda is coming together, ladies and gentlemen. So, alright. I'm happy with the intercooler piping now. We have the S300 in. Still waiting on the injectors. I posted about this today on the community. It's still saying it's in transit, and it's I don't know. So I might have to order some, or I have no clue. Maybe get the ones off of a Hellcat, or try to order. I'll figure something out. So this one's still pissing me off. Tune. I need to find somebody that can tune now that I have the S300 in. Got to add more trans fluid. Got to get a wheel bearing. Wire delete. I got all the wires deleted inside of the cabin. So brake kit's probably not going to be done until after. So, which sucks. I got to get a wheel bearing on the passenger side. So I might as well do both. So not sure yet. Power steering delete. That's going to be done after March 1st. Axles are probably going to be done when I do the alignment. I brought this car to a shop to get an alignment, and like I said, he said that the bottom ball joint is fucked on this side and on this side. Anyways, I'm gonna get down there and see what I can see about that lower ball joint on both of these, and see if they are shit. So update you guys in a second. I think I'm gonna try to take it on a quick little ride and see how she feels. I ain't even gonna lie, that was kind of awful. I don't know what to do about the steering. I've done everything that I can think of, and it still pulls so hard left. I don't even know what to do. Maybe manual steering? I don't fucking know. If you guys have any clues, leave it down in the comment. Like, I need help on this. Alright guys, I'm going to call it there. We got a lot of things done on the car that needed to be done because we're this much closer. This much to having the car ready for March 1st. March 1st is 8 days away. Hopefully I could get the car to somebody that could fix the alignment issue that we're having. If not, then I'll see what I can do on my own. But until next time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Later.